In this video, I will show you how you can fix the FaceTime microphone problem on your iPad Air. If you're facing issues with the microphone of your iPad while you're doing a FaceTime video or audio call, now to fix this issue, first of all, just remove any case which you have applied to your iPad. Because sometimes some iPad cases might block the microphone of your iPad, and this might be why you're facing the microphone problem. And also after you do that, then just open the control center on your iPad, then go to the connection section. Over here, just check if Bluetooth is enabled or not. If Bluetooth is turned on, just turn it off from here. Because in many cases when Bluetooth is enabled on your iPad might automatically connect to your Bluetooth headphones, and this might be why the microphones of your iPad are not working. So just turn off Bluetooth and check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just perform a force restart on your iPad. To do that, just grab your iPad, then press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. Now after the force restart process is completed, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then for the next method, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Over here, just scroll down and look for the option for microphone. Now just tap on microphone. Now over here, just look for the option for FaceTime. If you cannot find FaceTime over here, then in the main settings page, just tap on Apps. Now over here, just scroll down and look for the option for FaceTime. After you find FaceTime, then just tap on it. And over here, just look for the microphone option. If you're unable to find the microphone option over here too, then just go to your home screen and open FaceTime. Just start a FaceTime video or audio call. And after you do that, you will find this microphone icon over here. Just make sure you enable the microphone option from here. Now, after you've done all of that, and if your issue is still not fixed, then the last thing you can do is just go to your home screen and open Settings. Under Settings, just tap on General. And under the General Settings, just scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPad. Then tap on Reset, and from this pop-up menu, just select Reset All Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on Reset. And by doing that, you will not delete any data of your iPad. You will just reset all the settings of your iPad in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. But if this also did not work, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPad. Just take your iPad to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the FaceTime microphone problem on your iPad Air. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.